Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video, and in this video I would like to say something about on topic. Let's get start this video. So this topic name is Facebook, and Facebook is a very important social media platform, and every people's use on Facebook every day, and minimum every day 2 hours or 3 hours spent time in on Facebook. And I also use Facebook every day 3 or 4 hours, because Facebook is a very special and very special things like uh, Facebook, so many reels video, and I can use maximum time Facebook because Facebook actually news media, and Facebook fun video and story video, and so many type of video on Facebook. So that is why I uh, try use on Facebook. And also Facebook actually provide earning money, and when you upload your eligible content and good content upload on your Facebook page, like Facebook account or Facebook page also earning money when I have upload video. Okay, so actually Facebook platform is a very important and very uh, helpful platform every people's like me. And after Facebook not use, actually when I first time upload my English blog video at that time, and not any person know me, but now so many peoples know me because I am a English learner students. And so that is the thing, and you also try to upload on your video, like not only video, on your skills, like your self skill, like running, jumping, speaking, talking, communication video, and funny video, roast video, and educational also video you upload regularly, and it will be actually uh, famous and like celebration. Okay, so that is the things. So, and day by day upload on your Facebook content video, upload on your Facebook page, and on the Facebook company provide your content monetization. And after content monetization complete, then your Facebook page earning money. It's a like a job, and every day upload video on Facebook page or Facebook account, and earning money and provide money on Facebook. Okay, so it also like a job, and every month 700 or 1000, like more than uh, money. Actually your money depend on your content. So I think it's minimum $100, and payout on your bank account. It's a very helpful for uh, Facebook content creator. Okay, so that is why I upload my video regularly, but I sometime I cannot upload my video because so many problem. Actually, Facebook platform, actually Facebook content video upload every day video upload, and it's very good, but consistency is the main thing. Like any work, like English video or funny video or comedy video or educational video, like roast video and any kind of video make, but regular make, and then regular upload on your Facebook page. Okay, so that is the funda of regularity. Okay, so you regular work maintain, you one day you will be succeed. Okay, so that is the things. So that's all about me and my video, and your uh, helpful then my video share others friend, and my video actually not helpful, but actually if you helpful my video after watch, then follow me and support me, because I'm a not good speaker in English, and actually my things I share with you when I start English, and so many problem faced, and that things I share with you. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.